Hi everyone, welcome to 5 Idea Chinese. This is our grammar lesson. Today we're gonna learn this word, 没想到. We use this when we didn't expect something would happen. For example, 没想到他的中文这么好. I didn't expect his Chinese is so good. 中文 is Chinese. 这么 is so. Let's see one more example. 这个菜看起来不好看，没想到这么好吃。This dish doesn't look good. I didn't expect that it's so delicious. Now, let's try to make a sentence by yourself according to this picture. How to say, I didn't expect he would come back so soon. It's 没想到他这么早就回来了。Now, let's look at this picture. Can you make a sentence according to this picture? How to say, I didn't expect he would come back this week. We'll see the answer in the next video. Now, let's share the answer to the question I left last time. He seems sleepy is 他看起来很困。Did you write the right sentence? Okay, see you in the next video.